Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use reward programs with Apple Pay. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use reward programs with Apple Pay, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to help you out. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to open the wallet app. You want to just find the wallet app on your iPhone and open it. And then you're going to select the reward program. So just choose the reward program that you want to use, and then you can earn rewards and discount for using the specific reward program with Apple Pay. So pretty simple, pretty easy, and yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use reward programs with Apple Pay. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.